In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching any app you wanna use in this view and accessing it in the background, like that. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and click on this window to use your app in it. You can tap on the next and read all of those informations about resizing your app, how to minimize it, and where you can find more features. Once you finish, hit got it. Last but not least, if you want to close your window, you can click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!